This is the practice test for whole numbers, and here we're working on problem number 2, and we're asked to evaluate this expression. And anytime you have parentheses next to each other, that means the multiplication of the two numbers inside of the parentheses. So what we have here with these four parentheses next to each other is the multiplication of all four of these numbers. And we need to know how to multiply positive and negative numbers together. And so I've placed the rules for multiplication and division of positive and negative numbers here at the top of the page. If the two numbers have the same signs, then the answer is positive. If the two numbers have different signs, the answer is negative. So we're going to start on the left-hand side and work our way across to the right. And here we're going to multiply the -4 times the 8, and that would give us a -32. Different signs give a negative. And then we're going to continue to multiply as we go to the right. The -32 now, we're going to multiply by the next number, the -1. And we have the same signs, so we have a positive 32. And then 32 times the -6, and different signs, so we're going to have a negative or a minus, same thing. And 32 times the 6 is going to give us 192. So our answer is a -192.